What's up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana Supernova. Welcome back to my channel. In this corner of the YouTube universe, we're all about unlocking our best selves. I cover everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. And today, we're diving into a killer full body workout to help you crush those fitness goals and end the year strong. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with a 15-minute warm-up on the treadmill. Warming up is like a wake-up call for your body. It gets the blood flowing, preps your muscles, and sets the stage for a great workout. What's your favorite way to warm up? Comment below and let's swap some tips. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint, so take one step at a time, literally. Since I'm fairly new at restarting my journey, I decided to keep a normal walking pace, which for me is about 2.5 to 3 speed. Next up, 15 minutes on the elliptical. I love this machine. It's low impact and it really gets your heart rate up without putting too much strain on your joints. And hey, don't forget about hydration. Sip that water, stay cool, and keep pushing through. We've got this. Plus, it's a great way to catch up on all your favorite podcasts or maybe even this YouTube channel. On this particular evening, I just finished work and didn't have time to go to the gym. So thankfully my neighborhood has a gym and I just utilized that. Use what you have. If you're not able to go to a gym or don't have a gym membership, use your neighborhood gym. Go outside and go for a walk. If it's snowing, if it's raining, then find a cardio video, something just like this one on YouTube, and do an indoor workout. Honor the stage that you're in. Honor what you have, the body you have, the equipment you have. One of the biggest disservices that you can do to yourself is to not give yourself the opportunity to be the best version of yourself that you could possibly be. Don't feel intimidated by your own journey, by compromising, by comparing yourself to others. You only have one life and it doesn't require fancy equipment. Do what you can when you can. All right, now we're moving to upper body. Pull downs are fantastic for those back and arm muscles. It's all about that form. Right now, since it's my first time actually using the machine, my form isn't the best. There's a picture on the machine and it tells you which muscles should be engaged. And of course, if you're needing assistance, you can always look up a video of the actual manufacturer on how to properly use the machine. Thankfully in here, there are some mirrors. So I'm looking in the mirrors, making sure my form looks similar to what's on the screen. Make sure it's similar to what's on the machine and then kind of trying to engage those muscles. Don't just go through the motions, folks. Engage those muscles, focus on your form, and make every rep count. Stretching between sets is key. It helps prevent cramps, improves flexibility, and gives your muscles a moment to recover. Stretch it out, breathe, and let your body feel that sweet sweat release. Feels amazing, right? Look, one thing about it and two things for sure, I will always give myself an opportunity to restart. This is maybe the third or fourth time I'm starting my weight loss journey. For me, it's not a trend, it's not a stage of life, it's literally a lifestyle that I implement time and time again. Anytime I fall off, I know that I'm human and I don't go too hard on myself. I just pick up right back where I left off. And you'll see that throughout my matriculation through YouTube. You'll see that my channel started off with wellness, productivity, lifestyle, and it's gonna end that way. It's something that everyone should implement at some level in their lives. You deserve the best, so give yourself the best. On my channel, I always encourage others to be the best version of themselves. It's something that I live by and swear by. With each workout, with each rep, with each attempt at becoming a better version of you, you're getting stronger mentally and physically. On my last set, I make sure to reach a little bit farther, dig a little bit deeper, and go for a much longer pull just to target the smaller muscles. When you're first starting, it's okay to experiment and try new things. Don't be too hard on yourself. I did write down this workout prior to starting, but because I'm learning, I wanted to try new things, and that's completely okay. Time for some squats with free weights. Squats are a powerhouse move. They engage multiple muscle groups and improve overall strength. Remember to hinge your body properly to avoid injury. It takes practice, but you're gonna get there, and I'm gonna get there. I use a smaller weight because I know that I need to work on my form. So in this clip, you see me attempting to adjust my form. That's just so that I can prevent injury. All right, get ready to feel the burn. Squats might be tough, but they're worth every second. Push through. With the start of this new journey, I do have some plans on making a few changes in regard to my regimen, but I do want to start off strong. One thing that has always worked for me was fasting. I do plan on kicking off my new weight loss journey with a fast. I'm going to take it 1 week at a time, and my next video is going to go more into detail on how exactly I plan on doing it. So if that's something you're interested in, if you've ever been on a fasting journey, reach out. I'm going to need all the help I can get. And if you want to join, of course, stick around, subscribe, and join in on the fun. Previously, I've done the master cleanse, and that I will link down below. I have many of which I did not film, but this time it's a little bit different because the hubby is going to join in. More details soon to come. And then of course, after the fast, I do plan on going into a complete lifestyle change in regard to my diet. Before this move, I was eating out way too much. I want to cook from home, and these small changes are going to be step-by-step changes. It's not going to be overnight, but I definitely plan on bringing you guys along the journey with me. My last workout for the day would be with RDLs. I'm still working on my form, but afterwards I do a deep stretch off camera, ending the workout with some deep stretches. This is your time to honor your body and all it's done for you today. Stretching helps prevent soreness and improves flexibility over time. Be kind to yourself. Every workout is a victory. Take a moment, breathe deeply, and appreciate the hard work you've put in. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never give up. And hey, share this with a friend who needs some gym motivation. Let's continue the journey together. Until next time, stay motivated and shine bright. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up so I can make more videos just like this one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.